Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it, and now just tap on this edit icon, so kind of pencil icon. Now tap on this profile picture and you can either take a photo and your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery. I do not have anything in my gallery, so I'll just take a photo. So let me quickly take a photo of this. Oh no, that was so bad. Okay, can you sharpen? Can you focus? All right. So we've got it. Let me tap on the stick icon. And now in this step, we can kind of frame it. So we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can change the size of it. And thanks to it, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner and tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.